Waking up at 3 in the morning with a sore ear because your wireless bud decided to act like a tiny plastic pebble in your skull is a special kind of misery. We have all been there. You just want the rain sounds or a low key podcast to drown out your racing thoughts, but the hardware is literally stabbing you in the side of the head. This is exactly why people are starting to look at these super thin, flat speaker systems you just slide right under your pillow. It sounds like the absolute perfect middle ground. No sweaty headbands. No wires tangling around your neck while you toss and turn. Just a flat plate of sound positioned right where your head rests. The concept is pretty simple. You get 4 individual flat speakers tucked into a slim, flexible profile. It connects to your phone through Bluetooth. But it also features an old-school auxiliary port, if you prefer to keep things wired. There are even built-in white noise tracks if you do not feel like hunting for a playlist on your phone. Plus, it comes with a remote sleep timer. That is a massive deal for anyone who does not want their audio running for 8 hours straight while they are in a deep sleep. On paper, it seems like a total win. You lay down and let the sound wash through the feathers and foam of your pillow without any physical obstructions in your ear canal. However, the reality of this underpillow system is a bit more complicated than the marketing photos might suggest. When you look at what people are actually saying, you see a massive divide in the experience. For a huge group of users, this thing is a total relief. They talk about finally being able to sleep on their side without any pressure or pain. They say the sound quality is surprisingly crisp even through a thick, heavy pillow. But then you look at the other side of the fence. There is a vocal group of buyers who are genuinely frustrated. Some people are reporting that the wireless connection just cuts out in the middle of the night. That is a total nightmare scenario when you are finally drifting off and suddenly the silence or a weird disconnect, beep, jolts you wide awake. There are also some strange design choices that seem to baffle users. The controls are positioned in a way that makes them difficult to find in the pitch black. If you are half asleep and just want to nudge the volume down, you do not want to be fumbling with a confusing layout. Then there is the comfort issue. While the speakers are flat, they are still physical objects. If you have a very thin pillow, or if you are particularly sensitive, you might still feel the edges of the device pressing against your head. It is not exactly like sleeping on a cloud. So, is it a gimmick or a revolution for your nightstand? It really depends on your personal tolerance for tech hiccups. If you are desperate to get rid of earbuds, you might be willing to overlook a shaky connection once in a while. If you have a thick, plush pillow, you probably will not even know the speakers are there. But if you expect a flawless, premium experience every single night, this might leave you feeling some regret. It is a niche solution for a very specific problem. You have to decide if the promise of ear-free audio outweighs the potential for some clunky hardware issues. It is a real product with real trade-offs, and it certainly is not a one-size-fits-all solution for every sleeper.